Cześć, mam na imię
Hello,
Robert,
my
a
name is
dzisiaj pokażę
Robert,
Ci, jak
and
założyć
today
konto w
I'll show you
Cairo.
how to create an account in Cairo. Go to hexonic.com and click the Selection Program button. You'll now be redirected to our Cairo selection program, to the login page, and the section where you can create an account. Click the orange Register button and fill out the entire form you see here. Start by selecting your region. Enter your email address, name, and phone number. Then provide your address. In the next step, choose the type of account, company or personal. Please note that personal accounts do not include all features, some of which are available exclusively to company accounts. Select one of the 4 account types: distributor, designer, installer, or student. Enter your company name, VAT number, and address details. Once all the fields are filled out, the Register button will become active. Click it, and you'll receive an automatic email from Cairo containing an activation link for your account, as well as your password for the first login. To grant permissions, contact your regional representative. You can find their contact information on our website, HEXONIC.com, in the Find a Representative section. Simply send them an email with the subject line, "Please activate my account." That's all for today. I hope you successfully created your account.